MayRose Hotel. Well, it's crazy. Out here, oh shit, out here in New Orleans. I was still in the room, but shit over yet. Out here at the La Meridian, man. La Meridian. That was the red signs I guess he's talking about for the hold on. Boy, the dang on J's, boy. Hello. Pool hours from 7 a.m. There you go. Man, I got this music on again. Good God. But alright. Get on back up here before she gets. Like, what the fuck this nigga at? He's out right back. Yeah, we out here.
In the wood.
Hold on. Turn some AC on. It's hot, boy. Well, it's probably as hot because this truck been sitting with the windows up, but You got some of your GPS? I don't have anything.
These.
Where's it go?
Just make a
I can't turn right there. That's a one way, I think.
So go straight, I guess.
I think that's a one way.
Cause it say on Magazine Street.
Magazine.
Make a right.
Yeah, it's a one way. This pilot done towed this truck up.
They got their rules on.
Man, these
Parade
boys
gonna
got-
be it then. Cause everybody looking like they finna be in the parade.
Turn right on Magazine. I can't turn right on Magazine. Turn left on Magazine.
Turn left on Magazine.
Yeah, so we ride, man. Y'all tell Ashley happy birthday, man.
Tell me happy birthday.
Big 19.
Big 19.
No, 21. 21. She's 21. 21. 21. 21.
Oh.
21. She can
Count.
drink. She can drink. She can
Sound
drink.
kind of statutory.
Yeah. Yeah, she the whole 21 of her. This ain't no Drea and that boy.
No, yeah.
This ain't that. What the fuck?
I'm Ashley.
Look at. Wow.
What?
The girl.
Yeah.
Whole booty out.
Baby,
Y'all wanna see it, don't you?
That's your titties out. So.
Well, she covered it up. She covered it up before y'all could see it.
It's just rising up. That's all. Sometimes they be happy. You know?
It don't happen unless you want it to happen. But yeah, man, we're finna go to a few spots, and then I'm gonna pull together. That boy got plenty of firewood over there. I'm gonna bring the camera back, man, and then we gonna. Dude,
Ain't paying no attention.
none. Now let me get off this camera, man, cause New Orleans drive a little different. So let me get out this camera, and I'm gonna hit y'all in a second.
12 minutes away.
I mean, still.
Starting route
I
to
still don't feel like that
2131
was
Annunciation
12
Street.
minutes.
Gotta turn around.
Head west on Poydras Street, then make a U-turn at St. Charles Avenue.
Not too far.
And it's off of Magazine, cause we was just on Magazine.
Yeah, they was giving us some wrong stuff.
Know what I'm saying? But you remember we was on Magazine, and they had said to do
At the
the
light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at
I
St.
mean, they
Charles
was over there setting up.
Then
Remember?
turn right onto Magazine Street.
Bronco. Hold on, y'all. See it. Eating my Popeyes, and then got some Bayou Buffalo on my shirt, man. But it's all good, cause I need to find that video. I need to find that video. Mike be talking about all the time. Man, I'm a real nigga, boy.
Walk with me one more time, you do. And I don't care about none of it, nigga. I'm a real nigga, boy. I'm a real nigga, boy. I'm a straight nigga. I don't need none of it. I'm gonna give you one more time. And you do. One more motherfucking time, you do, bro. I done gave you too many chances, baby. It ain't no joke.
Tired. Tired.
Sleepy? Yeah.
Her sleepy. Her ate some Popeyes. And Lawless. And her sleepy.
Nigga, itis. That's the itis.
Man, this goddamn GPS still going off in my pocket. Walk around with her. I already had to go buy some white shirts because I didn't have no white shirts. And I come right down here and get Bayou Buffalo on the white shirt. Don't worry about it because I got 4 more. 4 more before I go. I got an aquarium over here and everything. Oh yeah. I think we seen the aquarium earlier, right? I thought I did. Thought I seen the aquarium earlier.
I don't know. I think the mall over here too.
Maybe. But yeah, man. Are you well, we missed the parade, y'all. So she kind of bummed about that. We missed the parade because we came back. We was there. We ain't had nowhere to park. We were like, man, let's go change clothes, because she wanted to change clothes. I wanted to change clothes. So we went back to the room, changed clothes. Damn, what did we do? Oh, we changed clothes and then we went to try to go get something to eat. We got caught in traffic and ended up missing the parade because we got caught in traffic. So, yeah. But the parade is actually still going on. They said it was from 1 to 6, but we ain't see nobody else, so we assumed it was over. But I had to put my St. Patrick's Day drip on with my spot on my shirt. She had to put her green on. You know, we're doing a little drinking. Man, I smell a cigar. There's bees in them bushes, but you know. Found the culprit.
I'm allergic.
Huh?
I ain't allergic to them.
I said I found the culprit.
It's steaming then.
Dude, old dude back there got the cigar. Should've told him to hit that cigar, cuz. That's a New Orleans out there though. Damn, now my battery finna get low and I left the damn battery in the damn truck. Well, tie downs. It's a big ass tie down. We on the Gulf. Right by the Westin. I don't know if I said it earlier, but when I was walking outside, I told Ashley, I don't know if I said it to y'all. I was walking outside, man, and there was some crows up in the tree. And I was like, damn, man, loud ass bird. As soon as I said that and walked past it, done doo-doo and almost hit me in the head. I heard it when it hit the ground and everything. I was like, boy, if I had a BB gun, you'd be a featherless fool. Cause I was gonna knock the feathers off your head. But yeah, having us a little nature walk. Got me a homemade strawberry Hennessy. We chilling, dog. So I'm gonna put this camera down, man, try to save some of this battery. And yeah, we'll hit y'all in a second. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. This spot, it's called New Orleans Creole Cooking. Wait, since she like this because it got a water fountain in Huh? They're not white.
You know what I'm saying?
People not white. It's gotta be.
Because I thought